Yo guys, it's Handy the Hands right here, and I found a couple of cool birds that love hot dog bread. Look, see, Handy the Hand's gonna give him some bread. Handy the Hand loves seagulls. Take it. And look, watch what I'm gonna do. Wow! Handy the Hand's just changed his voice. Oh my god! Quack, squawk, seagull noise. Handy the Hand loves breads too. Do you like bread, seagulls? Do you? Let's see if I can make a seagull noise. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk, seagull noise. And right here, here's me, Handy the Hands, cuddling up some stuff right here. There you go, eat up the birds. Squawk, squawk, squawk. Ah, I'm gonna throw. Handy the Hands right here is gonna give us some bread. Oh, bench. This is great for hands to sit on. Even though feet like sitting on it more, I want more bread. Your only starts to annoy me, you seagulls. Eat up. Hey, oh, by the way, I'm gonna catch it in your mouth. Eat it.